Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio. Tonight, we're going to be doing our take on an old classic. We're going to be making you the Texas version of the salty dog drink. Okay guys, for tonight's ingredients, normally a salty dog is made with gin, but to make it our Texas version, what we're going to do is we're going to use good old Texas Deep Eddy Ruby Red, and that's vodka. We're also going to be using grapefruit juice, and we also have salt, which goes on the rim of our glass. These are the only ingredients for tonight's drink, guys. Let's get to making it. Okay guys, now to make our drink, we take our glass, and you're going to want to rim this with some salt. Okay. So it comes just like that. We're going to fill our glass with some ice. Okay, there we go. Now, our first ingredient, the Deep Eddy Ruby Red Vodka. We're going to do 1 ounce. Okay, we're going to follow that by our grapefruit juice. I prefer fresh, but all I have is a can right now, guys. So fill that up all the way to the top right there. Gonna grab our straw, guys, and that's how simple that is. It's delicious. The salt and the grapefruit, it's excellent. And again, guys, this is our take on a salty dog. You guys have to try that. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making our version of the salty dog with Deep Eddy's vodka from Texas. If you guys like what I'm doing, guys, please hit the like button down below. If you would like to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Until our next video, guys, I'll see you then.